in my way, you will be set to the side. It's a glimpse of my life, I'm just letting you see. Ready for whatever could be. The equivalent is killing shit every single day, and these gon' feel it when I find my way.
All right, YouTube, I'm coming to you guys with the installation / review video. Ben Lowry sent me this. It's an engine air deflector. Let's get into it. That's how it came in the mail in this bag. So this will fit any touring bikes. I got a Harley Street Glide Special, as you guys know. So it will fit road glide, street glide, you know, any touring bike. So I got mine gloss black, of course, so it matches the bike. It's the hardware we're gonna need to install it. They packaged it up very well. Oh yeah, these look really nice. Nice material, very thick too, if you can see, very thick. This is the left side. Once again, thank you to Ben Lowry for sending me these to do a review for you guys. I'll put the link in my description below. Yeah, this is beautiful. Very thick, durable. Okay guys, if your bike is a 2016 or earlier, like a 15 or 14 and below, you would need this speed nut washer. And you can either take the seat off and the bag off to get better access, but you slide it into this big hole, and then you're going to utilize this hole here. You want to slide it on the frame, and then it would stay right here. That way you can screw into this here. But 2016 or newer, there's a hole already here with threads in it. We can utilize this hole on the 2016 or newer bikes. On the bottom, there's a hexagon shaped hole, and they supply hexagon shaped speed nut here that just pops right in like that. And we're going to install the air deflector with the bolt and the washer supplied on the bottom and the top. Bolt and washer. We'll start it on the bottom first. And then the top on the bottom hole that's in the air deflector. Pretty tight space, but take your time. It'll go in. Bolt size is 10 millimeter. Just gonna use this wrench to tighten them up. Not too much pressure, like I said, you don't want to crack the plastic. Just enough to snug it up. And that's it. Let's get the other side on. All right guys, on this side I found starting with the top one is easier. I also noticed it has a slot because I had to remove one of these quick connects. There's a slot on the air deflector. I can route my spark plug wire. So I'm just tightening up the bolts.